Picture this. It's a random Wednesday night. You're scrolling through your bank app, and the balance is still low. Again. Meanwhile, a coworker just booked a first-class flight. No big deal. Here's the thing. It's not because they make more money. It's not because they're smarter. And it's definitely not because they lucked into some viral stock tip. Most people stay stuck chasing exciting breakthroughs, the next crypto, the next hot stock, while ignoring the boring, weird habits that actually build wealth over time. The life you'll be living in 2026 is being built right now. Not by flashy decisions, but by the small, daily behaviors you repeat consistently. Today, I'll show you 8 weird money habits that look trivial now but will completely transform your financial identity by 2026. Stick around. The last one is the habit that separates the financially free from the financially stressed. Hey, my name is Malik. I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance, wealth psychology, and money behavior. If you feel like no matter how hard you work, you never get ahead financially, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helps you out. Most people think wealth is complicated. It's not. It's about small, weird, consistent habits most people ignore. Habit 1. Track only one number every day. Most people overcomplicate budgeting with spreadsheets, apps, and charts, and that's exactly why they never start. Here's the weird habit. Track just one number daily, your total spending. No categories, no graphs, just awareness. Why it works. Awareness comes before control. You can't fix a leak you can't see. Example, let's say you spend $15 per day on coffee, snacks, and small impulse buys. That's $450 per month, or $5,400 per year. Tracking this one number makes it impossible to ignore where your money is leaking. Psychology. Humans often underestimate small repeated actions. Seeing your spending every day rewires your brain to notice small losses and prevent them automatically. Actionable step. Tonight, write down every dollar you spend tomorrow. That's it. It's simple, but consistency compounds. Habit 2. Learn one money word daily. Money has its own language, words like compound interest, assets, liabilities, ROI, inflation. If you don't know them, you're leaving your financial future to chance. Weird habit. Learn one money-related word every day. Day 1. Compound interest arrow. Understand how $1 can grow to $10 over decades. Day 2. Asset implies anything that generates income or appreciates in value. Day 3. Liability implies something that drains money or creates debt. Do this consistently, and in a year you'll know more than most people learn in a lifetime. Example, understanding compound interest alone can help you see why saving $200 per month from age 25 grows to over $200,000 by age 50 at 8% annual growth. That's the power of knowledge applied consistently. Analogy. Learning these terms is like learning chess. You can't win if you don't know how the pieces move. Habit 3. Save first, even 1%. Most people try to save what's left at the end of the month. Usually there's nothing left. Wealthy people do something weird. They save first, even if it's only 1% of income. The amount doesn't matter, the identity does. Example, if you earn $3,000 per month, saving just $30 immediately after each paycheck seems small. But every time you save first, you're signaling to your brain, I am a person who values the future over instant gratification. Psychology. Habits shape identity. Your actions tell your brain who you are, not just what you're doing. Save first enough times, and wealth building becomes automatic because it's part of who you are, not just a decision. Habit 4. Master decisive moments. Your financial day is defined by a few tiny decisive moments. These are points where small choices create outsized results. Examples. Ordering takeout versus cooking at home. Clicking buy on a gadget you don't need. Choosing to invest $50 instead of scrolling past. Master these moments and the rest of your day, and eventually your financial life takes care of itself. Example. Skipping $10 per day on impulse purchases leads to $70 per week. leads to $3,640 per year. Invested at 8% growth to approximately $3,931 first year, compounding to over $45,000 in 10 years. Analogy. Life is like chess. Most pieces move predictably, but the opening moves, these micro-decisions, set the whole game. Habit 5. Build an unseen portfolio. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth isn't what you flaunt. It's what you don't see. Skipping first-class upgrades, luxury cars, impulse purchases, these decisions compound silently in your favor. Example. Saving $500 per month instead of buying gadgets to $6,000 per year. Invest at 8% annual growth to approximately $6,480 in 1 year, approximately $70,000 in 10. Psychology. Humans crave instant gratification. Avoiding visible rewards is counterintuitive, but mathematically smarter. The wealth you don't show grows faster than wealth you spend. Habit 6. Design a frictionless environment. Environment shapes behavior more than motivation. Make good habits effortless and bad habits harder. Automate transfers to savings. Hide credit cards you use for shopping. Unsubscribe from apps that tempt overspending. Math and psychology. If investing $100 per month is effortless, you do it consistently. If buying $100 impulsively requires extra steps, you avoid it. Example. Automating $200 per month for 10 years at 8% growth yields approximately $38,500 without thinking. Habit 7. Embrace room for error. Life is unpredictable. The most overlooked habit, plan for imperfection. For example, keep a $500 emergency buffer for a $2,000 per month budget. Avoid highly leveraged investments. Plan for bills, market swings, and unexpected expenses. Psychology. A margin of safety builds resilience. You can survive surprises calmly instead of panicking and making poor financial choices. Habit 8. Stop moving the goalposts. The hardest habit. Don't let your desire for more outpace your satisfaction. More money doesn't automatically mean more happiness if your expectations rise at the same pace. Analogy. Chasing the next shiny thing is like pouring water into a bucket with a hole. Patch the holes, your baseline satisfaction, before adding more. Psychology. This keeps your financial progress stable and prevents risky behavior caused by constantly rising standards. Your 2026 financial life isn't built by luck, income, or intelligence. It's built by boring, consistent, weird habits people ignore. Track one number daily. Learn one money word. Daily save first, even 1%. Master decisive moments. Build an unseen portfolio. Design a frictionless environment. Embrace room for error. Stop moving the goalposts. Pick one habit today and commit to it. Comment which habit you're starting with. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe. Your 2026 self is already watching. Don't let them down. Remember, wealth is weird, small, and consistent. Start today.